Hi guys, today we have another basic unboxing and we're gonna unbox 11-in-1 USB-C docking station, and that's for your Mac Mini M4 and M4 Pro. This is a bit of a different version than previously seen. So this version in particular comes with one USB connector at the back rather than two. Now I'm doing a voiceover at the moment, so I've already unboxed this Mac Mini docking station, and I'm actually quite happy. It came actually quite cheap on Amazon. There was a bit of a discount, so I purchased this for £74. It has two USBs at the front, 10 gigabits. It has a couple of USB-Cs at the back. It has an NVMe enclosure as well for up to 8 terabytes, and it has the SD card and micro SD card slot at the front, which is actually quite handy if you got the camera and stuff. Now the material is generally plastic. It feels in a similar way to your Mac Mini. It looks exactly the same, so I'm just quickly going here through the contents. We have a small screwdriver to take the cover off for the NVMe. It has a thermal pad on, so we're gonna open now the main package. Okay, I'll plan to put the specs now on the following screen, so if you want to see them, please pause in a second. That'll contain the full description of the speeds and everything. So yeah, this is the description now. Okay, just pause this if you want to look at further. Now this is how it looks on your Mac Mini. Going through it, I'm actually quite made up with it. There's different versions. There's a touchy one, but that still comes a bit expensive. There's no discounts for this. I do like the Mac Mini one because it has all you need, to be fair. There's no HDMI ports, or there's no display ports. Now there's another version with display ports, as I said, but the connections at the back can assist on two USB-Cs and takes all the USB-C slots at the back. Not that you need them, but I don't necessarily think that I need a docking station with a display port on, because this is more or less their setup, and I'm only planning to use one display anyway. But if you need more displays, you can always use the ports, the additional ports. Display port, okay. So yeah, you see the back. Now I'm disconnected, it's only one plug. There's obviously a small shallow place for the pressing the power button. Generally quite happy with the product. There's not much to say there, and this is the enclosure underneath for the NVMe. Yeah, feels good, looks okay. No complaints there, to be fair, guys. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Have a good night. Bye.